In the meantime, floodwaters continue to recede in Terengganu, Kelantan and Pahang. Despite this, many evacuees have chosen to remain at relief centres at as their houses were badly damaged or covered in mud. In Kelantan, 32,310 people remain at 178 relief centres compared to 44,081 this morning. Tanah Merah has the highest number at 14,184, followed by Tumpat, Kuala, Krai and Kota Baharu. In Pahang, those displaced dropped to 47,099 this evening at more than 200 relief centres in 8 districts. Temerloh recorded the highest number at 21,773, followed by Pekan, Jerantut and Bera. In Terengganu, the numbers also dropped to 7,940 from 9,040 people this morning. While in Johor, 138 people remain at relief centres in Segamat and Batu Pahat. However, in Perak, the number rose slightly to 7,412 people from 7,360 this afternoon. According to a state MKN spokesman, Central Perak had the highest number of evacuees, followed by Kuala Kangsar, Hulu Perak, Kerian and Manjung.